morning, everybody. It is June 24th, Wednesday, and this is our last, my last video for a little while because we're going to be back outside on the 5th of July. Now we've got two story times in the park, Monday, 2 on Tuesday, and 1 on Friday, and then Twinkle Little Stars on Friday as well. And everything's at capacity for the numbers that I can have now, except for the 10 o'clock class on Monday. So if you're wanting to come to Storytime, just shoot me an email at kids@ngpl.ca or get in touch with the library and I'll get you all hooked up there. So this is our last one for a little while. I've teamed with the Kemptville Community Association and read a story which you will be able to see on Moose FM on Canada Day. And this is the craft. I have 40 available, so it's first come, first serve. It's a Canada Day noisemaker. So you just tape on your maple leaf to your stick and add the bell. There's some beads in there, some ribbon. Do your own thing. Also in July, we have another story walk coming. The thing that Lou couldn't do is going to be presented as a story walk in Kinderwalk for the month of July. And hopefully as well, we'll have some virtual activities, and I'm really hoping that we'll have a few small in-person outdoor activities like Reader's Theater. So just keep an eye on the website and Facebook page, and we'll see everybody in July. Bye.